a lot of our customers have asked if we make a smaller version of our popular standing desk, and for 5 years we've had to say no, but now we're happy to launch Allstand. The Allstand is a universal shelf. You can use it for laptops, tablets, phones, books. It has 3 different modes. Here we have laptop, and you can take this cross brace out and sit at the couch with it, sit in your bed with it. A nice way to use laptop in a ergonomically friendly way. And it has a little slot for tablets or phones. So you can record yourself, you can use a set a microphone on if you're podcasting. This shelf has so many uses. It then has 2 other modes outside of laptop. First you have the tablet mode, and here you can set a book or a recipe or some sheet music, or your kids practicing trumpet. And then it has a drafting mode, sort of like an easel. So adult can stand with it at a table and draw or write, or you could set this on the ground, and a younger kid could use it as an easel or something for painting or drawing. We think you'll love the Allstand. Check it out at thereadydesk.com. It's made here in the US in San Diego, and we ship to a lot of different places, so check us out. Thanks.